Okay, this is the latest update from the shop. I think we're on number 4 right now. A couple things since last time. I know I mentioned that I did make the cuts on the old frame tubes and that tube from the saddle forward was bent up. I was thinking I had to take it to my body shop buddies again, but what I did instead, I just grabbed a couple big C-clamps and a 6-foot long pry bar, and I hooked it underneath the saddle and pushed down on it, and lo and behold, now that tube is pointed the right direction. I checked it with my angle finder, but most importantly, I checked it with the transmission, and I'm happy to report everything fits again. So that's all good. I'm waiting to get the pins made so I can put these pieces on to make sure that everything is dimensionally the right direction going forward. So that's it on that part. But then the other thing that happened this week, I got the machining done for the lock on that neck. I bought that thing at Wasion a year or so ago. I got the thing for $200 and it was just laying on some guy's pile, but it had not been machined to receive the lock. So I took it to my friend Sally and she got the holes put in it. And now I've got a very convincing looking neck as a reminder with none of the foundry marks. So this chopper frame just gets a plain old neck. Also, you can see I have the pieces now and it's kind of starting to look like a wishbone frame. Got those tubes there. It's going to be interesting with an aftermarket neck, tubes from V-Twin, aftermarket sidecar loops. I hope those bends are in the right place, but we're going to find out the deeper we get into it. So, not much else to add at this point. Hopefully get those pins made this week. Maybe get these things welded together so I can get my legs put together and start cutting them to length to get them back to where I can maybe test a motor in it. Okay, as always, like, share, subscribe, post, and also any comments, happy to answer. Thanks.